In the previous chapters, you have learnt about what is coordinate geometry and different types of plane figures, correct? All the conic sections and everything. Now, to think about it, a cone is a three-dimension object, correct? Now, this particular chapter, you are going to deal or you are going to understand with three-dimension geometry. Now, this year, you have just the introduction to 3D geometry. Okay, you're not going to study much in detail or in depth. Now, this particular chapter has very simple, like what are the octants what we have. Remember you had quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, for a 3D space, it's not called as a plane anymore, it's a space. Now for 3D space, we have octants. So there are 8 divisions. What are the octants and what are the sign conventions? That's how we start with it. And suppose if you have a point in space, how are we going to understand the position of that particular point? Then you have the distance formula, then you have the section formula. These are the basic things what you have in this particular year. That's why the name of this particular chapter is Introduction to 3D Geometry. Alright, so these are the things you're going to learn in this particular chapter. Now, from the next video onwards, we'll start with how do we plot a point in the octants and what is an octant, and we'll look into the basics of this particular 3D geometry.